What is that?
Camera.
Oh.
She's hiding underneath the dining room table. Nothing on the weather radio. I wonder how my praying mantis is doing. He just showed up the other day. Can I set the camera down long enough? Look up at the sky. I'll check on her guys. It's the little buddy. There it goes.
The National Weather Service in Indianapolis has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for eastern Hamilton County, southern Madison County, northeastern Marion County until 2:45 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 2:18 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, National Weather Service Doppler radar indicated a severe thunderstorm capable of producing quarter-size hail and damaging winds in excess of 60 miles per hour. This storm was located near Fishers, or 11 miles northeast of Indianapolis, and moving northeast at 30 miles per hour. Locations impacted include Anderson, Fishers, Noblesville, LaPel, Edgewood, Pendleton, River Forest. This includes Interstate 69 between mile markers 0 and 20.
I'm turning off the light so you can see better.
Thunderstorms produce damaging winds in excess of 60 miles per hour.
It's getting intense now.
Lightning and very heavy rain. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of your home or business.
You can't see anything real well.
Quickly, so do not drive into areas where water covers the road. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 2:45 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time for the following counties in Indiana: Hamilton, Madison, and Marion.
This is Noel Hazards Radio KEC 74 in Indianapolis.
The National Weather Service in Indianapolis has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for eastern Hamilton County, southern Madison County, northeastern
Holy
Marion
crap,
County,
did you see that?
5 p.m. Eastern Daylight
Straight line winds just came through here.
Eastern Daylight Time. National Weather Service Doppler radar indicated a severe thunderstorm.
Oh, son of a gun.
Hail and damaging winds in excess of 60 miles per hour. This storm was Fishers, 11 miles northeast of Indianapolis, and moving north 30 miles per hour.
Crap.
Locations impacted include Anderson, Fishers,
I hit the wrong button, now my weather radio's going berserk. Oh, you can see better through this one.
Interstate 69 between mile markers 0 and 25. Severe thunderstorms produce damaging wind in excess of 60 miles per hour. Destructive hail, deadly lightning,
What?
and very heavy rain. For your protection, move to an interior
Hang on.
on the lowest floor of your